One of the features I really love with Word 2010 is Recent. If I click on the File tab in the ribbon, I have the option to click Recent on the left-hand side. In earlier versions of Word, and particularly Word 2003, when you clicked on File, Word tended to remember the last 4 files you had open, and it was a quick way to return to any one of the last 4 files you'd worked on. If you went into Tools and Options, you could increase that list from 4 to 9. What's really great about 2010 is it doesn't remember the last 4 or 9 files you've had open, it remembers the last 25 files you've had open. And better than that, it actually remembers the last 25 places you've visited. So if you have a file that you work with regularly, you can quickly open it just by clicking on the file listed here. Or if you have a location that you work with regularly, you can quickly click it in this list and return to that location. Now, if it's a file that you work with regularly, I would actually recommend that you hit the pin and you pin it. By pinning a document or by pinning a place, it will never drop off the list. In fact, if I pin this document playpen, it'll appear above this dotted line, which means it won't drop off the list as I open and work with more and more files. So let me show you. If I click it, here it is here, and it's permanently pinned on my list. If I click the pin again, I can unpin it from the list. So documents that you work with regularly. I work with letterheads, faxes, cover letters and certificates on a regular basis, so I have those permanently pinned. I also work with these particular folders on a regular basis, so I have those pinned as well. So my recommendation to you is that you pin documents in places that you work with regularly. If, for instance, the document has been deleted and you want it removed from the list, also realize that you can right-click any particular document or place and you can remove it from the list. In fact, you can clear all unpinned documents if you want to start with a fresh list. The other recommendation I'm making is that we increase the number of documents and places from 25 to 50. Under File, you can click Options. And if you click Options and go to Advanced on the left-hand side, you can scroll down to this particular option here. And this is where you can increase the number of recent documents and places to 50. And click OK. Now as you open and work with documents more, that list will grow not to show you the most 25 recent documents and places, it'll work to show you the last 50 most recent documents and places. Now the last thing I want to show you with regards to Recent is there's a quicker way than going File and going Recent. Earlier in one of the videos I actually got you to customize the Quick Access toolbar, and I got you to turn on this particular command here, Open Recent File. This command appears as this yellow one with the little star in the middle. If you quickly want to go to Recent, just click this button. And if you quickly want to open up a document, just click the document.